Number 1. Wipro Wi-Fi enabled smart LED bulb B22 12.5 watt. Our first pick for the best smart LED light bulbs in India is the Wipro Wi-Fi enabled smart LED bulbs. We picked these bulbs as our first pick because it is arguably the most powerful light bulb available in India right now. With a wattage rating of 12.5 for a single bulb, you will be able to illuminate a medium-sized room completely with just a single light bulb. Although, you do get the option to adjust the brightness of this light bulb between 10% to 100% brightness setting, which is much better than just turning the lights off. The LEDs powering this light bulb are RGB certified and capable of producing up to 16 million different colors by creating a perfect combination of red, green, and blue color. In case you want to create an automatic schedule of lighting, you will be able to create that via the Wipro Next app available for smartphones. Last but not the least, Wipro Wi-Fi enabled smart LED light can be hooked up with other smart LEDs as well as other devices to create a complete smart home system. Number 2. Syska 12-watt B22 Wi-Fi enabled smart LED bulb. Syska is one of the earliest brands to introduce smart LED lights in the Indian market. Also, Syska is one of the oldest brands producing LEDs in India, apart from offering other essential services. Hence, our second pick for the best smart LED lights in India is Syska Wi-Fi enabled smart LED bulb. While it does come at an affordable price tag, it is still the most reliable option from our list. All Syska smart products can be linked via the same Syska Smart Home app, hence you do not necessarily have to buy the same LED light bulbs for all rooms in your home. One of the great advantages of having smart lights in your home is that you get access to remotely control all the features of the lights, whether you are at home or not. Apart from the remote control, you also get the voice-enabled control over all smart lights via AI Alexa and Google Assistant. Even if you don't want to go through 16 million color options for the illumination, you can select one of the basic modes, which is either warm white 2700K or cool day white 650K. Although the party mode is surely the most suitable option for parties and for enjoying a colorful time at home. It also supports a grouping system with either other 12-watt Syska lights or other smart LEDs available in your home. Number 3. Wipro Next 20W Smart LED Batten. For the third position, we have picked the most unique smart LED light you can find in India. While most smart LEDs come in a bulb type light and have a limited wattage, the Wipro Next LEDs are a batten type LED with a massive 20 watts power. With such a high wattage rating, it is safe to say that these lights can easily replace your current LED battens without compromising the illumination levels. The LED batten is 1200 mm in length and operates on 220 to 240 volts input, which is pretty much standard for LED batten lights. The only thing you will be missing out from these lights is the RGB illuminations, as it only features a few shades of white lights. But, if that is not a priority for you, it is a great choice as there are multiple options available for white light. For example, you can select between reading, night, meeting, leisure, and soft mode by simply changing the brightness and white color options. There are two different white color options available, warm white 2700K and cool day white 650K. With these many options, you can create your customized lighting schedule regarding various activities. In case you are planning to install a separate batten light for each room, you will be able to synchronize them together via the Wipro Next Home app. But, make sure you have a stable 2.4 GHz wireless network connection in your home before placing your order. Number 4. Halonex Wi-Fi enabled smart LED bulb 12WB22. Smart LEDs aren't much of a luxury item, as you will not be using all of its special features daily. Hence, it is much better to get a smart LED option under a budget-friendly investment. Therefore, our next pick for the best smart LED lights in India is the most affordable option you can find in the market right now. Although, don't confuse it with other generic options as it features all of the smart features that you would expect from a smart LED light bulb. With 12 watts capacity, it features true RGB LEDs with the same 16 million color options that you will get in any other RGB LED smart light. It is also compatible with Alexa and Google Home voice assistant that supports English as well as a Hindi voice assistant. By using the remote access feature, you can easily automate your lighting system to turn on your lights around the time you wake up and turn off while going to bed. It also gives you the option to group multiple bulbs together and manage them via customized timers and voice commands. If you own an Android smartphone with an OS version above v4.3 or an iOS smartphone with iOS 6 and above, you will be able to control these smart lights right from your phone. Number 5. Philips Smart Wi-Fi LED Bulb E27 9W Wiz Connected. Lastly, we have yet another highly recognized brand available on our list. Philips has also introduced a smart LED light bulb, especially for desk use and other low-powered applications. If you want to place a smart LED light on a table or on your working desk, you can appreciate the 9 watts power rating on the Philips Smart Wi-Fi LED bulb. The illuminations levels available with this light bulb are definitely not suited for complete room illumination, but it acts as a perfect LED light for a desk lamp with multiple smart features. First of all, it has Amazon's Alexa and Google's voice assistant compatibility available so that you can set up the light to operate over voice commands. As for the customization, you can either go with the default white color presets names warm white and cool white, or select one out of 16 million different color options available under color mode. Philips has designed a special Wiz app for smartphones for easy customization. Here, you will find the option to turn on, turn off, or dim the lights via brightness control. As the lights are Wi-Fi enabled, it does not require any special hub for grouping. You can also create customized schedules from the app, which is quite nice.